Let's have a look for the user data example in a practical way. So this is my GitHub, you can see, and in Terraform tutorial folder you will find the Terraform AWS EC2 user data. So this is example for the user data completely, and you will find the all the files over here. So I have opened the files. That's a key files. That's a first file, the user data file input.tf. So this is used for the using the input file where we are passing the file, not exactly command. So you can see this is the same as we discussed in the uh, our theory section. So here the AMI is pass, instance type pass, then security group pass, and key name. In user data it's pass the apache config .sh. So let's have a look apache config.sh. So this is apache config.sh file. You can see here that's the all commands pass here in the apache config. So let's have a look for the normal command. So this is second file, so where you can see the user data.df. So here it will be pass the user data in the single command passing. So this is a way where we are passing the file and the commands in two different files. So you can see that there are two files. One is the user data file input, one is the user data.tf. Rest is the provider output and Apache config. So let's have a look for the security groups. So that's again important. So here I configure the security group for the two port. One is the 22 and one is the 80. So this two port we need to allow as we are passing the you configure the HTTP server. So we have to enable the HTTP port, and output the rule is the all up, allow all. So I'm just going to the command line where we'll execute the script. So I have already applied the init, so it's working, the script is properly fine. So let's do directly apply just for the saving of time. So let's give the confirmation. So I'm giving the confirmation over here for the creating the instance using user data. So it started the creating the security group, and it will be create the instance again. So let's wait while creating the all resources. So our all resources got created. You can see there are two outputs is written. So we have missed the to see the output file. So let's see the output.tf file. So in output.tf file we have written the two IPs. One is the without file, and one is a with file. So there are two resources which we are creating. So these two having the two different public IP. So let's take a public IP and copy this IP and open to the browser. So this might take some time, but sometime it's take immediately opening. So this is our deployed by Terraform. This is the without file, and the second one is with the file. So I'm using this, opening this. So sorry, actually I didn't copy it properly. So let me copy again. So just pasting IP. Okay, so this is deployed via Terraform, which we have paste message in our script. So let's see the script once again, and see we have passed a message over here deployed via Terraform. So there was one small mistake in this script, so I have updated. So you can take the latest code to run with your specific example. So you can take this same code and you can run. So this will be directly run, and this could be your practice session also. So this is the how we can create the instance using the user data with file and normal command. Next we'll see how we'll create the EBS volume, and we'll attach EBS volume to the instance using the user data.